In this video, I'll guide you through how to collaborate in ClickUp, whether you're working with a small team or coordinating across an entire organization. Using channels for focused communication can make a huge difference in how organized and efficient your work feels. In this walkthrough, we'll look at how to create channels for specific projects and how your team can use them to chat and communicate in one central place. Let's start with the basic idea. In ClickUp, collaboration usually happens around workspaces, spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Channels are essentially dedicated conversation spaces that live alongside your work, so people don't have to chase updates through email or scattered messages. By creating channels for specific projects, you give your team a clear home for every discussion related to that project. Begin by opening ClickUp and navigating to the area where your project lives. This is often a space, a folder, or a specific list, depending on how your workspace is set up. The key is to choose the level that best represents the project you want to collaborate on. Once you're there, look for the chat or conversation area. This might appear as a dedicated chat view, a comments section, or a collaboration panel, depending on your layout and the features you're using. Now, create a new channel that's clearly tied to your project. Give it a descriptive name so that anyone in your workspace can immediately understand what it's for. Instead of a vague title, choose something like Website Redesign Project Chat or Marketing Campaign Q3 Collaboration. Clear naming helps keep communication organized as the number of projects grows. After you've created the channel, decide who needs access, add the team members who are directly involved in the project, as well as any stakeholders who might need to follow along with updates. Keeping the channel focused, with the right people included, reduces noise and makes it easier to find important information later. With your project channel set up, encourage your team to use it as the main place for project-related chat and communication. Members can post quick updates, ask questions, share files, or drop links to relevant tasks and documents. This keeps everything connected to the actual work living inside ClickUp instead of being split between separate tools. It's helpful to set a few simple guidelines for how you'll use the channel. For example, you might use it for daily check-ins, status updates, or quick decisions, while saving more complex discussions for comments directly on tasks. You can also remind team members to keep conversations in the correct project channel instead of general chats, so information doesn't get lost. Over time, your project channel becomes a running history of what's happened, decisions made, issues raised, and solutions found. When someone new joins the project, they can scroll back through the conversation to get context much faster than reading through scattered messages elsewhere. As you work, make it a habit to reference tasks and documents from within the channel. When someone mentions a to-do item, link to the corresponding task. When you share a file, attach it directly in the channel so everyone has the latest version. This reduces confusion and keeps the entire project team aligned. By creating channels for specific projects and using them consistently, members can chat and communicate using this dedicated space, keeping your collaboration organized, transparent, and easy to manage inside ClickUp.